So this is how you get it done. You've had a long, hard day working in the ghetto. Got a lot of ball, sweat, fart juice on your underpants. You just flush the toilet. A little bottle of bleach. Put a little bleach in there. Oh, you gotta wait. You wanna make sure that water's fresh. There you go. Put a little splash of bleach in there. Take your dirty drawers. Get them in there. I'll slosh them around a bit. Yeah, get them nice and clean. Ah, yeah. There you go. Alright. One more now rinse cycle. Okay. Alright. There you go. It's all sanitized. Throw them in your personal clothes dryer. Just throw it right in there. And just like about like that. Set the timer. Those are pretty stanky. You're gonna give her about 40 minutes there. Set heat to high. There you go. Need no fucking appliances up in here. Woo-wee, I'll have clean drawers in 40 minutes. Yee!